Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Xbox 360 CE and confirming the power LED. This ensures stable voltage and avoids interruptions. Once done, connect HDMI or component cables to your TV and set the input so you see the dashboard immediately. Make sure you sign in with your Xbox Live or local profile. This unlocks cloud saves and achievements. If the system prompts for an update, accept it now. Updates fix compatibility and improve performance, so apply them before launching games. You next pair controllers and confirm input. Press the sync button on the console and controller, then test buttons and sticks so gameplay won't be disrupted. Once connected, manage storage. Decide between internal memory, USB flash, or supported external HDD, and free space for game installs or downloadable content. This prevents slow load times. Then insert the game disc or launch a digital title. Confirm region and compatibility, because mismatched region discs or pending installs can block startup and cause errors. You finish by tuning settings. Optimize display resolution and audio output for your TV, and set power options to instant on or energy saving depending on use. Once configured, test the network connection and Xbox Live features. A healthy connection reduces lag and enables multiplayer, so adjust NAT type if matchmaking fails. If something goes wrong, clear the cache, reseat cables, and reapply system updates. If an error code appears, write it down and search support. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.